I love that it's what is it? That it's what is it? Is this
what is this?
One?
Huh?
Is it the black?
I didn't buy it because I thought it was too expensive.
I love the zipper.
I always wanted this bag.
What are we gonna do today?
I'm sustainable. Fashion is everything these days. Not everything, but probably like 70%. I support that. My sister sent me her used bags to me. So we're gonna do unboxing. I'm very excited. Thank you, my sister.
It's not every day that a giant bag shows up from my sister, especially one packed with 4 vintage treasures. She and I have always loved fashion history and the stories behind well-made bags. For us, it's not about trends, it's about craftsmanship, character, and finding pieces with a past. Let's see what she
Are you
sent.
ready?
Are you
ready?
I'm so ready too.
Unboxing.
You want a bag with pattern?
Let's see a bag with the pattern.
Okay. I'll probably use this. I'll probably make a dress with this pongpongi. In Korea, we call this pongpongi.
Really?
Yeah, because it's a pongpong.
Like pops.
What I love about this bag is how it connects the past to the present. The toile iconography pattern feels modern, but it's actually a tribute to Valentino's original V logo from 1968, revived by creative director Pierpaolo Pittioli. It's a piece that bridges 70s fashion history with modern design. The name toile itself refers a highly detailed print, and you can see that dedication in every stitch. Brand new, this sells for over $2,000, but pre-owned, it becomes a smarter way to collect true Italian glamour.
Fall and winter.
I was going to say for fall.
Yeah. So this is the inside. So what my sister did, she loved this bag very much, but she wanted to keep this in interior protected. So she custom ordered this and then put it inside. So she cover it, you know, so it's
But finding a pre-owned one in this pristine condition lets you appreciate that level of design, and it's a smarter way to experience luxury and add a piece of fashion history to your collection.
I has this one too.
A little wallet?
Yeah. It's so cute.
I love that it's what is in there.
And she puts the Louis Vuitton charm. Oh my god, it's a big charm that I always wanted.
Yeah, put it right there so I can do.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you, sister. You're the best. You do it like this.
Wait, put it on.
Yeah. So you put it. Valentino and Louis. Oh my god. So cute.
Oh, do you see the circle? The logo circle right there? It's really good. That's cute.
It's cute. Oh my god.
Very chic and like professional.
So, love it. Oh, this is also very smart because what she did is she did an extra pocket. So she like compartment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. She's a fashionista.
Yeah, that's cute.
Cute. Love it. So, I always wanted this bag. The last time when I was in Korea, I borrowed this bag a few times. Thank you. Okay.
This one is good.
Number 2. Red bag.
Red. Sorry.
Oh, it's kind of reddish.
Sorry.
Maybe it's purple too.
Purple or red?
Yeah.
Open that right now.
Okay. It's Givenchy. I think this came out a long time ago, but it's still collectible. And I wanted this bag so much, and I think I was in New York at the time, and I didn't buy it because I thought it was too expensive, and you know. But and my sister finally got this. Is I think the name is Nightingale bag.
Oh my god.
That
That's
rich leather
insane.
smell gave it away. A Givenchy Nightingale, one of the most iconic it bags of the 2000s. This bag was a product of Gothic influenced design, released in 2006 and named after Florence Nightingale. It was designed as the perfect mix of casual and sophisticated.
Yeah. I read somewhere that some of Nightingale bags are very collectible. Depends on the color and the material. I don't know how these are, but it doesn't matter because I love it. And I think it comes with strap.
Really?
What was once a celebrity must-have is now a classic. Resale prices range from $900 to $1,400. But its real value is the timeless, slouchy shape that makes it endlessly wearable.
And yeah, and this is kind of like, so it goes this way.
Like a cross, so it's like
Oh, like this.
a shoulder bag instead of a handbag.
Oh,
Is that metal?
yeah, but how? Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
That's crazy.
So, do you like?
Yeah, that's really cool. I love the zipper.
I always wanted this bag.
It looks very, very good.
It's cute. Love
Wow.
it. 3. Look at this. They have this
Like little ridge?
Yeah.
Or nook?
ridge nook, and then you can go probably like this. Cute.
Wow.
So
That's insane.
I always wanted this bag. Oh my god, I can finally have this.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas. Thank you,
Wow.
sister.
You're gonna need to do a fall look with this one.
I know.
That's
It's
insane.
Like, ta-da!
Ta-da! Is this
Ta-da!
one?
What is
black
this?
one?
Huh?
Is it the black
It's a
one?
black one. What is this?
I couldn't. Is it a bag?
It's a bag. Bottega Veneta.
That's iconic.
It's iconic.
This is iconic.
Very collectible.
A true masterclass in craftsmanship. The Bottega Veneta Campana with its signature intrecciato weave. Fun fact, the weave was invented in the 1970s because Bottega's sewing machine couldn't handle thick leather. They cut it into strips and wove it, turning necessity into an icon of stealth luxury. Today, the weave is instantly recognizable as the symbol of quiet, logo-free elegance. Vintage campanas in great condition can run $900 to $1,500.
I think she sent me this one too.
Oh.
Right? This one is Kate Kitson. I think it's a British company. I think her fabric design is very famous, like floral design. Let's see. It's cute. It comes with this. Oh, I like it because it's very random.
It's
You know?
very random.
Yeah, it's kind of some kind of like attitude that I like.
Attitude.
Yeah. And look at this one. This is cute too.
She wanted you to keep it.
Yeah.
What's it called again?
Kath Kidston. Yeah.
Kath Kitson.
Kath Kidston.
That's so hard to say.
London.
London. Get the London look.
London. Love it. Thank you,
Very
sister.
boutique.
Very boutique. I love it. I'm gonna use it. It's not that heavy.
Wow.
And some Hermes dust bag.
Oh yes.
My sister actually sent me this bag too, right?
Is that a?
Yeah, it's cotton, but it's not Birkin.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like Birkin inspired,
It
but
is.
it's not fake. It's like, they change the fabric, so it's not leather.
Okay.
So it's not identical. Yeah, but my sister said, oh yeah, just show it to your, show it to your fashionista friends, and because it's not fake. She got this. If it was fake, probably the department store wouldn't even bought it. Wouldn't have bought it.
Oh, I see what you mean. Gold.
Right.
That elevated it by a lot.
The last bag was a trick from my sister. It looks like a designer classic, but it's actually just a designer-inspired piece she picked up from a famous department store in Korea. The fabrication, stitching, and hardware are incredible. Quality design that doesn't scream for a logo. It's not about the name, it's about the craft. I'd value this around $600, but it's a gift from my sister, so to me, it is priceless. It's hard to choose a favorite, as each bag offers something unique in terms of style and history. But if I had to pick one, it would be Valentino. The Trois iconograph pattern is so bold and graphic, yet the neutral colors make it incredibly versatile. It's a significant investment piece that feels both special and practical for everyday use, which is the perfect combination. So, there you have it, 4 incredible pieces of fashion history, all thanks to my wonderful sister. It's amazing to think about the journey each of these bags has been on. For me, fashion is a way to learn and express a unique point of view. While owning new luxury items can often be out of reach, exploring the world of vintage and pre-owned goods opens up. It helps you cultivate your own taste, find items that truly speak to you, and build a style that's timeless because it's yours. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me which bag's story resonated with you the most. And of course, I have to name the Valentino. What do you think it should be? Thank you for sharing this experience with me. A huge thank you to my sister and to all of you. Hit that subscribe button for more styling ideas, and I will see you in the next video.